Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am really scared. I just accidentally deleted my other video. Oof, and then, I had to record again. Winners, and I will trade you my spike. I just really want a party hat from this person. They are giving away a party hat, 2 head feathers, and their leap year worn. So, I forgot to mention at the start that come on. I've already a rare spikes wins everything. What? No, this is totally a scam. Come on, please. Okay. I will just trade this. Okay, that's like my favorite spike. So, trade back. That's my favorite spike. Ugh. Please trade back. Okay, they're trading back, guys, but I still can't trust this person because they're doing trust. See why. Okay. I will do just gazelles. Okay. I have 2 gazelles, rims, rare, and rare. Come on, give those back, give those back. Okay. Okay. Give back, please. Please give back the gazelle. Those are my favorite items. No, come on, give back my items. Please give back. Give them back now, please. Okay. Yeah, okay. One more trade. Oh my god, guys, I'm really scared. Okay. I will trade this spike okay, and then spike. That's all I'm gonna trade. Okay. Trade back. Please trade back. Okay, guys. Please trade me back. Please trade me back. Oh my god, guys. Okay. Please trade back. No, wait. Trade. Oh my god. Trade me back first. Trade me back first. Please trade back. Please trade back. Trade me back. Please, 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 please. Oh my god, okay. Trade me back, please. No, don't love. Oh, okay. Trade me back my items and the party hat. Please. Give just the party hat. Only the party hat. How many spikes do you have? 2. Guys, I'm really scared. I'm like really scared. Okay. Okay, what are they? My blue long and my red long. Come on, I'm really scared. Can you trade me now? Guys, just okay, but no buts. No. Guys, I'm shaking. Please just trade me back. Trade me back, please. You really want to win party hat for free. You have to trust me with this. No, okay, no. is I'm lagging right now. I will also give your other spikes back. I will put one of my spikes on trade, and you trade me party hat, and I will put the other spike on trade, and you trade the rest. Guys, I'm really scared. Oh my god. Okay, let's trade both longs of... What? No. No. Guys, I'm blocking and reporting. I'm gonna send this to AJHQ. No, trade me party hat for my blue long, and I will trade you the other for necklace. Your necklace. Deal or no? Guys, this person's trying to scam me. I'm like really scared. Hey guys, so I forgot to press the record button. But it's okay. I just lost a yellow long from my other account, and I just got that yesterday. My God, guys. Okay. Well, that's the end of this video. I don't even know anymore. I'm not really sure, but, what to do right now. But thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay. Sorry guys, okay. But yeah. Thank you, Spooky Mellow, for donating, I got my black long and pink scam doing it too. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you.